How to get image ID in Roblox. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a simple and very easy guide if you want to look out for image ID in Roblox. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by going to roblox.com in a browser directly. So you can go to roblox.com, hit enter and log in with your account if you're not logged in. After that, we can open up the image or the decal piece. So for that, you can look out for the create option directly at the top and click on it and head over to create.roblox.com and go to creations and look out for your decals here. We can look out for it, for example, avatar items or something like that. Clothing, say, and find that decal item here. For example, let's say something like this. You can just go and open it up either through your creation space, or you can even go to Roblox, customization section where all the items are available. And once you've selected the item, at the very top of your URL section, you can usually look out for a number right below, between two slash. So you can look out for it. This is usually your decal ID. You can just go and look out for it and you should be finding it. Or let's head over to Roblox.com and look out for this marketplace sometimes. And let's look out for one of the images or items, let's say. And once you find the items at the very top right between two slashes, you will be finding the image ID, only the number. You can just go over and find it up, and that way you should be able to do it. And that's it, everybody. You can follow this method if you want to look out for your decal ID. You can just go over and do so. You just need a copy of this number, not the whole URL. And using image before it is approved is also not giving you the correct decal ID. So make sure if you're using it from your own creation that the decal ID is approved, that the image is approved, and then you will be able to find it. And make sure the asset is also set to public. But usually this is how you should be able to find your decal ID very easily on Roblox. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.